Hi, I'm Nick. Welcome to my channel, Nick Bunsen Studios, and I've just thought I'd just do this quick review. Where this came from, I returned from a live streaming job yesterday where I was in a church and I had the Rode Wireless Go system, and I had one on the priest and the receiver on my camera. And I really needed a second one for someone's doing a reading, and the outfit they were wearing, they had no pockets whatsoever, and my radio system I have as a backup, I just had nowhere to clip it, and there was no form of belt. I couldn't get it round behind them, so I just had to go with using my ambient microphone to get that. Anyway, I'm going to try and cut to the sort of chase here, but I found out yesterday that the Rode Wireless Go 2 system's been announced with 2 transmitters, so I was all over that before I even discovered it's also got internal recording. Anyway, I'm going to take this out tomorrow on a job, so I'm going to do another video on Friday to show real-world experience of how it worked for me, and play you some audio. But right now, the product we're going to talk about is the Wireless Go 2 system, and let's go now to do the unboxing and get to it and see what it's about. So let's go. So here we go. I think I'm one of the probably first in the country to get this. This arrived today from Gear for Music, so let's get into there and find out what we've got. So I know it's going to be a bit tough on the old box here. That's it. Okay, let's find out what we've got. Right, okay, so quick start guide. So in here we've got little beauty cables. So there's our guide. So we've got, like the first system, they've given us 2 of the USB-C charge, actually 3, which is great, because I always charged them as I came back. They were evenly discharged from a job, so now I can charge all 3 at the same time. I know some of the systems don't give us them, and that's really good. And then the TRS cable for camera, or if you're using, I use like one of these. I'm sort of using one of these now, so I take it into the left or right on there with the and then an ambient mic in the other side, and feed this cable into the camera. So that's that. And then we've got the pouch, exactly the same as the first one, but a little bit bigger to hold the 3 units now. But let's get to them. So here we go. So we've got our little wind suppressors there. So we've got 3 of them obviously for this kit, little eye crystals. So they're exactly the same. I'd say I'm not looked at the exact spec. I'd say they're exactly the same spec. It is in weight and dimensions to my previous set, which I've posted today because somebody bought them off me last night. So again, so you got the microphone input there, the built-in mic, and the power and link light. So we've got 2 of those now. So absolutely fantastic. Those lovely little clips, and I just love these. They're just so light. And then we've got our receiver. So this is the new bit now. So there we go. This is the bit I wanted. So so as I say, I'll be able to tell you more tomorrow. So we've obviously got like the mute, but we're going to be able to switch between 1 and 2, and that is absolutely perfect, because I can then keep that up on the top here, on the side here. Just push it in this way. So let me just get that in there. That's it. So I can keep that in. Make sure you can see that. Yeah, keep that in there, and then I can flick that. So when I know it's going to from A to B or 1 to 2, I can change that, and then I'm going to get that really clear source from the whoever's doing the reading in the service. So that is absolutely. It is brilliant. I so wanted that feature, and it was brilliant to get those finally now. On top of that, if you don't know, they've got internal recordings on these 2. So there's no SD card, it's built in, and my understanding at the moment is it's got 24 hours of compressed and 6 hours uncompressed, which it can store, so that's plenty enough. So not only are these really ideal for me now for live streaming, but they will be perfect for when I do sort of a normal wedding video where I don't need that live stream coming back, but I can actually monitor it via the LCD here, so I can actually see, you know, and then hopefully there's, I don't know if it's, we had a boost button on the original one, sort of had sort of minimum, medium, maximum setting, so I'm hoping that's here, but until I've got this display on I can't, I don't know. Let's have a look, shall we? Let's power it on. I'm sure we'll have a bit of battery in there. Let's power one of these on. And one of these. Okay, yeah, there's the gauge right in the centre there. So we're really low on battery here. But we can see the left. So we've got one at the top there. And I don't know, is it on? Ah, there we go. Yeah, so I don't know if you can try and get a bit close to the camera, but you've got the your little display there. So I'm on maximum now. There's minimum, medium, maximum. So that's great. So I can monitor, and then if you know if it's someone with a really quite strong voice, I can get that down. It's not obviously going to change, as far as I know, anything in the recorded, but I can sort of fix those in post. But for live streams, I can actually I can reduce that if I don't want to do it on the dials on the mixer. So yeah, and that. Yeah, okay, so here I've gone to channel 1 and then over to channel 2, which is not linked up at the moment because it's probably completely flat because I did hold the power button. So, guys, I'm really excited about these, and I'm going to be taking them along to a live stream job tomorrow, and I will be doing another video Friday to tell you exactly what I felt about these. I've bought them myself, so there's no bias review here, and I will get you some sound samples from that as well, so you can hear that, and yeah, and then I'll come back to you. So I hope that was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe if you don't mind, and I'll bring you another video in a couple of days to tell you how this all went. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Hope that was a little bit helpful, and any questions just post them below and I'll answer them. Thanks very much. Bye.